Hello, we will discuss the question set number 1 for semester 1 sample questions. Now, for the question number 1, this is the solution series. Okay, this is the question number 1. It is said that A is x such that x belongs to whole number and B equals to x such that x belongs to natural number. Okay, that means A difference B is only the set with only one element 0, right? Because for whole number the set will start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot, and here it is 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot, so on. So the only element 0 will be left in A if we differentiate with have the difference with B. That means A difference B is 0 only. So if it is 0, then number of elements in A difference B, it is 1. So the option correct is B. The next one, number 2, the solution for this equation. How to solve this thing? First of all, 3 by 2 plus 1 by x less or equals to x square plus x plus 2 divided by 2x less than 2 plus 1 by x. Here what we will do, we will simply try to solve in the total, from the total inequation part. It will be 3 by 2 plus 1 by x, and we split this 2x to this part and this part. We will split this 2x. Okay, that means x square plus x divided by 2x plus 2 by 2x less than 2 plus 1 by x, and this is 3 by 2 plus 1 by x less or equals to, if we take common x from there, it will be x plus 1 divided by 2x plus it's 1 by x, 2 plus 1 by x, it is 3 by 2 plus 1 by x less or equals to, we can cancel out x and x, it will be x plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by x less than 2 plus 1 by x. Okay, now as each equation, each part, not equation, each part contains 1 by x plus 1 by x, see, plus 1 by x, we can subtract that 1 by x from every part. So that means there will be only 3 by 2 less or equals to x plus 1 by 2 less than 2. Okay, now if we multiply the whole system with 2, that means we multiplying this one 3 by 2 into 2 less or equals to x plus 1 by 2 into 2 less than 2 into 2. That means 2 cancel out, 2 cancel out, it's 3 less or equals to x plus 1 less than 4. That means x less than 4 minus 1 less than 3 less or equals to, that means 3 minus 1. Okay, and what is happening here is, you can think like that, it is x plus 1 minus 1, so that means it is 3 minus 1 means 2 less or equals to x, because 1 minus 1 is 0, less or equals to 3, so sorry, it's less than 3. This is the solution. That means 2 is less or equals to and 3 is less than. So here there is, this option is not correct. What you can see, this option is not correct because both the things are equal. This option is not correct because 3, here we can see that 3 is having no equal symbol, and on the side of 2 there is an equal symbol, and here it is as the opposite thing. So this option is also not correct. Now we can see that x belongs to natural number, means from this solution, if x belongs to natural number, that means only the number 2 will we can find in the solution set, only 2. Why? Because x is greater or equals to 2 and less than 3, so x cannot be 3, and x is greater or equals to 2, so x can be 2. So this is the answer. So our solution set is this one. Okay, that means if we write like that, this is the solution set x 2 less or equals to x less than 3, x belongs to natural number. This is the solution, and that means this is only 2. Only 2 means C is the correct answer. Okay. The next part is 3. X belongs to whole number, and 5 into x plus 1 less than 4 into x plus 2. Okay, 5 into x plus 5 less than 4x plus 8. If we subtract 4x from 5x, that means 5x minus 4x less than, and 5 from 8, that means 8 minus 5. It is x less than 3. Clear? This is x less than 3. So if x less than 3 and the whole number is there, that means x solution set is x such that x less than 3 and x belongs to whole number. The solution will be 0, 1 and 2. Why? Because the number category is whole number, so you can consider it as 0, 1 and 2. Okay, because it is less than 3, so it cannot be 2. Okay. Now the option correct, here the correct option is D. Okay. For the next problem, problem number 4, for x belongs to z, minus half less than x minus 3 by 2 less than 0. This is the inequation. Now we have to solve this thing. X belongs to z, it is said that it is x belongs to z. Okay, now try to multiply the total inequation by 2, that means 1 by 2 into 2 less than x minus 3 by 2 into 2 less than 0 into 2. It implies that 2 cancelled out, minus 1 less than 2 cancelled out, it is x minus 3 less than 0. That means minus 1 less than it is x minus 3, so we can add 3, the minus 1 plus 3 to make to omit 3 from the middle part. It is x minus 3 plus 3 less than plus 0 plus 3. We are adding 3 for all of the parts to remove 3 from the middle part. See here, plus 3 and minus 3 is 0. That means here it will be 2 less or equals to x less than 3. Okay. So this is the solution, and z equals the solution set will be x such that 2 less or equals to x less than 3, comma x belongs to z. Okay, that means x is integer and x is equals to part is 2 and 3 is not included. That means the solution set is only 2, because 2 is the integer and there is no integer between 2 and 3 for this condition, 2 less or equals to x less than 3. So 2 is the answer. So what is said that this 2 is the answer. Sorry, oh, I made a mistake here. I made a mistake. it was less than, I made it less than equals to, sorry, so this thing should be removed. So that means this thing should be removed, and what you will find here, that is 2 and 3, in between 2 and 3 there is no integer, right? There is no integer, that means there will be an empty set, that means it is 5. So the option correct is D. The option correct is D. D is 5. Remember this thing, 0 will not happen, because set 0 means 0 alone is there. Never write this symbol also, because this symbol also resembles there is one element in this set, that is 5. Okay, but only 5, only writing 5, that means you are representing a null set. Okay, because this set has no elements, so it will be only 5. Don't mark the 5 in between two curly brackets, don't mark it. Okay, it will mean a single set, this will mean a single set, and this means a null set. Okay, singleton set and null set. Okay, now for the next part, question number 5, it is 6 less or equals to minus 3, 2x minus 4 less than 12, that is 6 less or equals to minus 6x plus 12 less than 12, and if we subtract 12 from it, that means 6 minus 12 less or equals to minus 6x plus 12 minus 12 less than 12 minus 12, that means it is minus 6 less or equals to minus 6x plus 12 minus 12 is 0 less than 12 minus 12 is 0. Okay, now if we divide, now it is minus x, x is negative. Okay, if we divide the total part by 6, okay, minus 6x divided by 6 less than 0 by 6, that means it is minus 1 less or equals to minus x less than 0. Now here it is the symbol minus, so if we make negative all the parts, the symbol will be changed, the symbol will be changed. 0, negative of 0 is 0, that means minus minus plus 1, that means 1 less or equals to x less than 0. So writing it correct way, that means the lowest value in the left side, that means 0 less than x less or equals to 1. Okay, so the solution is, it is said that the solution, you may think that solution is 1 because this is the equals to part is there. No, not like that, because the set defined here, that means that the set defined here is 0 less than x less or equals to 1, and it is x belongs to real number. It is given that in the real number, this is the real number, this is not integer, not whole number, or not natural number. Okay, so as it is a real number means the all points, that means the rational and irrational all points, all type of points in between 0 and 1, we should consider that those points. Okay, that means our answer should be A. Our answer should be A. Okay, our answer should be A. Now for the next question, question number 6, x equals to 1 is a solution of the equation k plus 4 x square k minus 1 x plus 3 equals to 0. What is the value of k? Now as x equals to 1 is a solution, that means k plus 4 x square plus k minus 1 x plus 3 equals to 0 is also will be satisfied. This equation is satisfied by x equals to 1. That means if we put the value of x, that means value 1 in the place of x, it will be satisfied. Satisfied means the both part will be equal, that means left side part is equals to the right side part. So that means we can put the value x equals to 1 there, that means k plus 4 x equals to 1 plus k minus 1 into 1 plus 3 equals to 0. That means k plus 4, because a 1 square is 1, and as 1 square is 1, 1 into k plus 4 is k plus 4 plus k minus 1 plus 3, that is equals to 0. That means 2k equals to minus 4 plus 1 minus 3, that means minus 3, it's minus 6, minus 4 minus 3 minus 7, minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6, minus 6, 2k equals to minus 6, k equals to minus 3. So k equals to minus 3 is the answer. So that means this one is the answer. The next solution is, for the given equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, if b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then what are the roots of the equation? Now, if b square minus 4ac is 0, now for ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, the roots are, that means the values of x are minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now what is the meaning of this plus minus? Plus minus means the one root is in the positive symbol with the positive symbol, and one root is in the negative symbol, right? Okay, that means now it is said that b square minus 4ac is 0. That means we can put the value here 0. That means root over of 0 is 0. That means minus b by 2a, minus b by 2a, that is the value of x. Okay, so that means the roots are this one, the minus b. Okay, minus b by 2a, minus b by 2a, the option B is correct. For the next equation 8, the type of roots for the equation 2x minus 1 by x equals to 7. The type of roots will be, now if we multiply it by 2x square minus 1 divided by x equals to 7, we make it an LCM, and then 2x square minus 1 equals to 7x, and then 2x square minus 7x minus 1 equals to 0. Now what is the value of x? Now what is the value of x? Minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. Now what is c? Sorry, c is minus 1. Okay, b square minus 4ac divided by 2a equals to 7 plus minus root over 49 plus 8 divided by 4 is 7 plus minus root over 49 plus 8 is 57 divided by 4. Now why we are calculating this portion? We have to find the both are rational or irrational, both are imaginary or not. Now both cannot be imaginary, because to make it imaginary, the value inside the root over portion should be, negative, but it is not negative, so that's why both are imaginary. It is incorrect. One is rational, one is irrational. Both are rational. Now both cannot be rational, because this number is a prime number. 50, no, sorry, it's not a prime number, 57. Now 57, if we break 57 like that, 57 like that, 3 ones are 3, 2 7, 27, 3 nines are 27. Now you can see that 57 can be written as 3 into 19, and none of these factors can be have the square root. We can't have the square root of none of these numbers, 3 or 19, because they are individually prime numbers. Okay, and there is no 2 3s or 2 19s, so that we can get 1 19 or 1 3 out of the root over portion. So in this portion, this is a irrational number. Now as this portion 57 for root over 57 becomes an irrational number, so adding or subtracting from 7, the total number will be also irrational. That means the both roots are irrational. Why? Because root over 57 is irrational. Because root over 57 is irrational. Okay. So root over 57 is irrational. So that's why both roots are irrational. That means the option B is correct here. Option B is correct here. Now, the next problem is 9. The values of k for which k into x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0 has real and equal roots. For the values of k for which, now the values of k, to find the values of k, you should multiply it like that, kx squared minus 2k x plus 6 equals to 0. That means here the a portion is k, the b portion is minus 2k, and the c portion is 6. Okay, so to find the value of k for which the real and equal roots, so for which the roots being real and equal, it is b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Now what is the b square? B square means this condition is true for real and equal roots. Now what is b square? Minus 2k whole square minus 4 into k into 6 equals to 0. That means 4k square minus 4k into 6 equals to 0. Now you can take common of 4k, that means k minus 6 will be there. So either k equals to 0, then now 4 cannot be 0. So either k equals to 0 or k minus 6 equals to 0. Or k minus 6 equals to 0, that means k equals to 6, k equals to 0. Now see, both answers can happen and the both answers are there. Now what answer should we mark? Now we have to see the questions again. Here you can see for this part what we have done here is the coefficient of x squared after multiplying it is k. Now if k is 0, then is it a quadratic equation? If k is 0, then a equals to 0. If a is 0, that means coefficient of x squared is 0. Now if coefficient of x squared is 0, that means there is no x squared term. Then the total equation is not going to be a quadratic equation. So that's the problem. Okay. So total equation is not going to be a quadratic equation. Okay. So this is the value of k is 0, cannot be happen because for k equals to 0, x squared, the coefficient of x squared will be 0 and the equation will not be a quadratic equation. So k will be 6. So k cannot be 0. So the k will be 6. So here the answer is k equals to 6. So this option is correct. Okay. So what I am saying, the logic? The logic is as k is, if k equals to 0, then if k equals to 0, then the equation is not a quadratic equation. Clear? Now for the problem number 10. If the equation 2x squared minus 6x plus p equals to 0 has real and different roots. Now this equation has real and different roots.
But to having a real and different roots, okay, we will find that a, that means coefficient of x square is 2, coefficient of x b equals to minus 6, and coefficient the constant term c equals to p. Okay, now has real and different roots. As this equation has real and different roots, that means b square minus 4ac is real and different roots. As real and different roots are there, so the b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0. Okay, for real and different roots. And okay, real and different roots. Okay, so if we put the value from here, it is minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into p greater than 0. Now it is 36 minus 8p greater than 0. That means 36 less than 8p. Now we can write in another way that 8p is taking the meaning same, that is 8p is lesser than 36, that is p is 36 by 8. Okay, if we cancel out by 4, that means p less than 9 by 2. Now p less than 9 by 2, so this is the part. Okay, p less than 9 by 2 will be there. Now you can say, so why sir we are not considering b square minus 4ac as greater than equals to 0? Because having equals to 0, we are considering the roots may be equal, but it is strictly said that they are different roots. Now this thing happens only for real roots, when there is no condition of whether the roots are different or equal. Okay, p less than 9 by 2. Okay,